Welcome to the Harvest Park Villas. This is the Romy. Right off the main foyer, we've got this bike storage room. Sure, it's great for bikes, but it'd also be a wonderful spot for strollers or off-season sporting equipment. Just 7 steps up from the foyer, we land on this spacious main floor of the Romy. We've got the utility room, a front hall closet, and a 2-piece powder room for your guests. This bright and spacious, open concept main floor is fantastic. This is going to be the future kitchen, appliances included, a dinette area, and a lovely great room. This entire home is flooded with natural light. Here we are in the upper lounge, which is located en route to the 2nd floor of the Romy. This is the perfect spot for movie night for the family, playroom for the kids, or maybe even a home office. And there's further bonus space for storage just off of this room. I'm standing in one of the 2 spacious secondary bedrooms upstairs. There's a 4-piece family bath and a laundry room, appliances included. Upstairs, the primary bedroom is located at the back of the unit. With many of the units, this includes a fantastic view over pond and green space. We've got a door to a private balcony, a 3-piece ensuite bath, and 2 big closets. As always, your Activa condo comes Energy Star certified. That means it's built to an efficiency level that's 20% beyond the standard building code. As a homeowner, you'll reap the benefit for years to come in the form of greater comfort and a savings on your utility bills.